Welcome back, guys. Progress of the shop. I'm here with Matthias and Peyton again. They're knocking out insulation. They're going to be doing some painting maybe today. I don't know. Depends on how far we get. Cutting and piecing more boards. A lot of stuff happening. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. It's actually moving along a lot faster than I anticipated. I was thinking like I was gonna have to do a lot of it myself and it was gonna take, you know, like a few weeks to get all this stuff done. But actually like working on the shop, only like 4 days into it, and they're not even like 10-12 hour days. They're like 5 to 7 hour days. So we're gonna be working a little bit later tonight, but hopefully we can get a lot of this knocked out. Let me show you how much we got done today so far. What's that?
Where's that can of foam?
Oh, the foam can. There's a whole bag of them right there on the ground.
Did the other one run out?
Yeah, I need another one out. But so we're working on this. Of course, you guys saw we already got all this done. What he's looking for is the foam can, because what we're doing is there's some spots where the boards were just a little bit too short to seal it off completely tight to the post. And you can see a little bit, in some spots you can see a little bit of a gap behind the post. So what we're doing is we're sticking the foam in behind the post and filling it up. And now you can see like this is, you know, expanding out. But the point is it'll fill in all that air gap behind there and cracks where heat can escape and, you know, just basically dissipate out of the barn. So we're gonna take the ladder and we're just gonna drop foam down behind the post all the way around. We've already done probably half the post on this side. I got that one, I only did the bottom half. I still gotta do all that up top. But you can see it kind of like seals off that gap. So anyways, we got that one done. This one over here, we still gotta finish that one. I just didn't stuff in the boards because they were moving stuff in. I did this one, but then of course we've got all this. Thinking about framing off one of these doors and closing it up, putting a sheet of steel on the other side to match the barn, and then throwing up some insulation and stuff like that, you know, OSB after framing it out on this side, and then maybe actually putting a big man door in, or just like a normal size man door, but then we're gonna have to drop it down a little bit, obviously, with some framing, and then put in a man door. So we have another man door other than the one over here, which you have to go through all the horse stall stuff to get to it, which is kind of inconvenient. And we've got this wall over here done. We did this one this morning with the boys. This one we basically used a lot of the scraps to finish. I mean, this down here is one full board on the bottom. In the top here, in the middle, it's 2 different boards. And then in the top there, we did actually an entire sheet, a 4 foot by 8 foot sheet. And then basically just this board, that board, that board, that one, and that one. We did some like scrap pieces and cut them and shaped them out to fit in there and tie everything together that way. Turned out pretty darn good. And so of course we're gonna have to, you know, insulate and fill all the gaps. You can see a little bit of daylight. We're gonna have to do that all the way around, so that's gonna be another goal. So then we're gonna work on finishing and insulating and boarding up this up here, with an exception to the vent there. We're gonna keep the vent. We're gonna have like a board on like a hinge maybe that we can flip up and hook it up there for when we want it to be ventilated, and then have the ability to just unhook it and drop it down. We'd have to have a ladder, of course, but unhook it and drop it down and hook it to keep it closed when we want it closed. But that way, if we want to have it open, we can. If we don't have to. But I know that in the winter, if you're heating the barn, you have a giant vent. Other than some ventilation, if you have it open the entire time, all your heat's just gonna escape right out. Like there's no purpose in even doing it. That's the progress. We're gonna try to get all of this done. And over here, other than this stall and that stall, which is gonna be pretty easy to get done, they already insulated this whole wall. They did everything up on top. They did everything up there. And you can see they used scraps to finish this wall up here because we were out of insulation. So they're using the foam to fill the gaps where the scraps, you know, we couldn't find enough to fit it in. But so yeah, that's the progress so far. Lots happening. We've got a lot done off video. I was kind of like in that mode this morning. I'm like, okay, I've gotten a lot of video on the shop so far. Maybe we'll just get a bunch done. We'll start the video off with showing you guys how much we had gotten done this morning, and then we're gonna now pick up some time lapse of actually getting some more progress on this. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, so been what? How long were we out here? 4 hours since you guys showed up? 7? Oh wow, 35. Wow. Okay, they've been here for 7 hours now. Time is flying. It's taking forever, but it's going fast actually. So we are at the point now where this wall is ready for paint, so they're gonna start painting away on this wall. I'm gonna get that on time lapse. We did get this wall all buttoned up. The most difficult part of it was getting around, like, you know, this box and the wires and cables and all that stuff. We did get it done, and we did get all these wires pulled out away and then tacked back away out of place. There was a wire too coming out of the steel up there, which is kind of weird. But it's coming out of the steel, running all the way down through here and branching out up over that way. And so we had to drill a hole through the OSB and keep that running through. All that tacked on, this whole wall done. This one we're buttoning up right now, and it's going good. They got all the insulation finally done, all the way around. All the stalls are done. They're all buttoned up, all the way around. It's all done. Some gaps still we're gonna fill with that expanding foam and then button it up with the boards. But going good. It's going really good. So they're gonna get to painting. So we're gonna set this up on time lapse right over here and see how much paint work we can't get done today. We are, it is now 8:15. They were here by 10 a.m. this morning. Probably started working by 10:30, but this is how far we got. They painted all the walls. You guys do 2 coats on everything?
Yeah.
2 coats on everything from this all the way over. There's gonna be probably another full day just in painting stuff because we've got an idea for the ceiling. I'll reveal that if I decide to actually do it, but I think it's gonna be our best bet. So this wall over here is ready to be painted too. They got all the insulation stored over there for now. All that, everything above the lock needs to get done, you know, at some point here. Just solid progress. You can even see, merch. You can even see over here in the stall, they got a coat on this wall too, so it can dry overnight. Over here, we got this wall done, and the reason we didn't get it finished tonight, and we're gonna try to get it all finished up tomorrow in terms of like at least boarding everything and getting another coat of paint on everything. But we gotta run inside. Reagan's got dinner ready, and we don't wanna be, you know, letting it get cold on us when she's put time into making it for us, so yeah. A lot done, a lot still to go. Of course, that's not done. We still got to do a lot there. But the shop, very, very opened up compared to what it was. So everybody, hopefully guys enjoyed the video and the time lapse. Another day of progress here. Turned out pretty good for today. So we're gonna pick you guys back up here tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe, because I looked at my analytics and it shows that 45% of you that watch the videos daily are not even subscribed yet. So hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.